You want to go faster?
No!
Here, we'll go a little faster. You may stop it? Look at me. He's all wobbly. Come on. Ready?
Yeah.
Boink.
That's I'm going this time.
Well, ain't even watching what I'm doing.
No.
Sit down on it.
No.
Why?
Because.
Lay down on it. You don't want to go on it? You want to try this one? Right here. Look. Come on, sit on this one.
No. You pin me fast.
No, I won't make it go fast.
You let me pin it?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you got to turn the other way. You got to sit on it the other way. Put your legs on. Look, turn around. Now get up. Okay, now get on it. Nope, the other way. Like, just get on it. Here, look, turn around. Turn around. Get on it like that. Yep, sit down. You gotta sit down, me head. No, on your butt. Yep, get up here and sit down on your butt.
I can't. The only way I can do it.
No, you'll fly off of it that way. Yeah, you will. Just got fit. Look at this, I found $20. I found $20. I got gas money for the Mustang. Sweet. He's way over there. Summertime.